Hi everyone, welcome to another Sunday box opening. We have our Illumicrate again this month that we're going to open and see what goodies we get. So let's go and see what we get. Okay. Oh, this is the new theme for March. Crew of My Own was the theme for February 2026. Ooh, the theme for March is Where My Demons Hide. Interesting. So, we've got... Ooh, we have another blanket. Green Cave of Socorata blanket. Interesting. And we have... Protection of the Gods coasters. Ooh. Let's have a look at these. Ooh, how nice is that? And there's another one. Ooh. Nice. There's some nice posters. Pop them over there. We got here. Bookmark set. Until the Last Star bookmark set. Can't go wrong with a bookmark. I'm always losing mine. So the artwork on these is stunning. And then we've got the actual book. Oh, it's stuck. Got it. And this is the book. Salt Swept by Catalina Watt. Oof. The edges on that, they are beautiful. These are your end pages. It's the first book in an epic fantasy duology inspired by Southeast Asian mythology. You have a nice map, and there's a chapter. Oof, I can't really wait to give that a read. That is such a pretty book. Look at that. And yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, but again, we've got the blanket, and then we've got next month's theme, which is Where the Demons Hide.